Right. In the last video, I spoke about the hands-free PTT solution. This video, I'm going to be showing you what you need in order to make my version of the solution. The first thing, obviously, is the Kirisan radio with the mic SP port. If you're wondering what that is, that's a pigtail just added to the antenna in order to increase the number of decibel gain for transmit and receive. Not part of the solution, but just a nice add-on and how do you do. That's obviously the base platform. The next piece we need, available cheaply from Takealot's website, is a mic earpiece set. It's got a push-to-talk circuit on it with a clip. That's what we want. And it's also got a K-plug. So the K-plug is the same industry standard wiring and circuit as the microphone handset PTT device that you can buy. And it also then has the clip-on piece, which is directed towards the actual earpiece and the microphone, which we're not going to be using. The next piece is a holster. The holster, it's an optional thing. This is a fastener just to be able to fasten the radio and to keep it in one place, in a position where it's not too far away from the mouth, where when I'm on the ground or in the air I can reach the controls if I want to. This one comes with a strap, a 3-point strap, which I can strap around the middle and over one shoulder, and some clipping points. Also for fastening, just different length sizes of Velcro straps. I've got these ones and these ones, and yeah, generally I will be showing you that I join them together to get the right length and size. So yeah, roughly about that length, and that length should be fine, or even just one length, it should be fine. Right, so those are all the pieces that we need. In the next video I'll show you what to do with building the solution.